Hello everyone. Our today's topic of discussion is eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a square matrix, which is a very important topic in the field of matrix theory. And there are so many applications of eigenvalues and eigenvectors in physics, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication, and many more applications in the field of computer science. Okay, now we will discuss about the solution procedure of the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a square matrix capital A. Let capital A be any square matrix of order m cross m and lambda be a scalar. Then a minus lambda I is called characteristic matrix of A, and determinant of this matrix is called the characteristic determinant of matrix capital A. And if determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, then this equation is called the characteristic equation of matrix A. Suppose we have a square matrix capital A whose size is m cross m and lambda be a scalar. Then A minus lambda I, which will be a matrix, and this matrix is called the characteristic matrix of A, and the determinant of this matrix means determinant of A minus lambda I is called the characteristic determinant of matrix A, and if determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0, then this is called the characteristic equation of matrix A, because on expanding this determinant along any row or along any column, we will get a polynomial in lambda of degree m on the left hand side, and that polynomial is equal to 0, then we have an equation in lambda of degree m. Now on solving this equation, determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0 will be an equation in lambda of degree m, means will be in this form, f of lambda is equal to 0. On solving this equation, we will get m values of lambda. We have lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 dash dash, lambda m. These m values of lambda are the roots of equation determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0 or f of lambda is equal to 0. These values of lambda are called the eigen values of matrix A or the latent roots of matrix A or the characteristic roots of matrix A. On solving this equation, f of lambda is equal to 0, we will get m values of lambda, say lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, dash dash lambda m. These m values of lambda are called the eigenvalues of matrix A, or the latent roots of A, or the characteristic roots of A. Now, there are some important points related to eigenvalues of a matrix. Number 1, if lambda 1, comma lambda 2, dash dash lambda m are the eigenvalues of a square matrix, capital A, whose size is m cross m, then sum of all these eigenvalues of matrix A means lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 plus dash dash plus lambda m is equal to trace of matrix A. And you know that trace of matrix A is the sum of diagonal elements of a square matrix, and multiplication of these eigenvalues of matrix A means lambda 1 into lambda 2 into lambda 3 into dash dash into, here dot represent multiplication, simple multiplication, lambda m is equal to determinant of A, and the product of all eigenvalues of matrix A is the determinant of matrix A. There are two important results related to eigenvalues of a square matrix. And second important result is if lambda is an eigenvalue of a square matrix, capital A, then lambda inverse will be an eigenvalue of A inverse. Means if lambda is an eigenvalue of a square matrix A, then 1 upon lambda means lambda inverse will be an eigenvalue of A inverse. Okay, now we will discuss the procedure of finding the eigenvalues of a square matrix. For this, I am taking an example. Find all the eigenvalues. Find all the eigenvalues of a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2. We have to find all the eigenvalues of this matrix, and as you know, for eigenvalues matrix should be square. Here the size of this matrix capital A is 2 cross 2. To find the eigenvalues of matrix A, first of all we have to write its characteristic equation. The characteristic equation of matrix A is mod of A minus lambda I is equal to 0 for eigenvalues of A. This step is for eigenvalues of matrix A. For eigenvalues of matrix A, we have to write its characteristic equation. And the characteristic equation of matrix A is determinant of A minus lambda I. And this matrix you can find in a very simple manner. How you will find? You have to subtract lambda from this diagonal entry and this diagonal entry. Okay, then the characteristic equation of matrix A will be 1 minus lambda 2 3 and 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. Actually, this matrix A minus lambda I is the subtraction of two matrices. First, we have given matrix A minus lambda. Lambda is a scalar and I is the unit matrix of same size as of A. So we can easily find A minus lambda into I. Just like here, A minus lambda I means matrix A is 1 2 3 2 minus lambda 1 0 0 1 unit matrix of order 2 cross 2. Because we know that subtraction and addition of two matrices will be possible in case of they are of similar size. Okay, now you can see here 1 2 3 2 and minus lambda 0 0 lambda, and the subtraction of these matrices will be 1 minus lambda 2 3 and 2 minus lambda. Okay, and we have to take determinant of this matrix, and on putting this determinant is equal to 0, we will get the characteristic equation of matrix A. Now, on expanding this determinant along first row, we will get the required characteristic equation of matrix A. 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda, then 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 0. And we have 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 lambda. Now minus lambda into 1 minus lambda into minus lambda plus lambda square minus 6 is equal to 0. And we have lambda square minus 3 lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 minus 6 means minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. Equation of matrix A. This is the characteristic equation of matrix A, which is an algebraic equation in lambda of degree 2. Because the size of this matrix is 2 cross 2. So we have this equation, lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. And on solving this equation, we will get two values of lambda. And these two values of lambda are known as eigenvalues for this matrix capital A. For this matrix capital A. On solving this equation, lambda square, we have to find roots of this equation. Because this is the quadratic equation in lambda, so we can apply Sridharacharya rule for lambda. Then lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 4 into upon 2 into 1. Here I am using Sridharacharya rule to find the roots of this quadratic equation. And rule is, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, which is an algebraic equation in x, then roots of this equation will be x1 x2 is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. Here in this equation, here in place of x we have lambda. A is equal to lambda, coefficient of lambda square is 1, coefficient of lambda is minus 3, and in place of c we have minus 4. So roots of this equation will be lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to minus into b. Here b is minus 3. Minus 3. Minus into minus 3 plus minus under root b square means minus 3 whole square 9 minus 4 into a. Here a is 1, coefficient of lambda square, that is a. Here a is 1. 4 into 1 into c. C is minus 4 upon 2 into 1. Then we have 3 plus minus under root 9 plus 16 upon 2 and 3 plus minus under root 25 upon 2. 3 plus minus 5 upon 2 and we have 3 plus 5 by 2 and 3 minus 5 by 2. When we are taking plus sign, then we have 3 plus 5 by 2, and when we are taking minus sign, then we have 3 minus 5 by 2, and thus we have, therefore eigenvalues of matrix A are lambda 1 is equal to minus 1 and lambda 2 is equal to 4. These two values of lambda are known as eigenvalues of matrix A, which was of order 2 cross 2, and that is the reason we have two eigenvalues of matrix A. Now we have another approach to find the eigenvalues of a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix. Our question was, find all the eigenvalues of matrix capital A, and A was first row 1 2 3 2. Then we have to find its eigenvalues, and the size of this matrix is 2 cross 2. This is very important. We can find only eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a square matrix. For eigenvalues and eigenvector problems, we should have a matrix, and matrix should be square. Now we are going to find all the eigenvalues of this matrix A by using another approach, and the approach is the characteristic equation of matrix A is determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0, means 1 minus lambda 2 3 and 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation of matrix A. But I am using another approach to find the eigenvalues of this matrix A. For this, lambda square minus lambda into trace of matrix A, trace of matrix A plus mod of A is equal to 0. By using this equation, we can write the characteristic equation of matrix A directly, and this equation will be lambda square minus lambda and trace of this matrix 1 plus 2, sum of diagonal entries 1 plus 2, and plus determinant of A, and determinant of A is equal to 2, 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3, 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3, 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have characteristic equation of matrix A, lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation of this matrix. And on solving this equation, we will get lambda is equal to -1 and lambda is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to -1 and lambda is equal to 4. Because we have already solved this equation. Lambda square minus lambda 3 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0 in the previous technique. Now we will discuss another very important part of this problem, that is known as eigenvector. Eigenvector, how we can find eigenvector? This is a very important step. What is eigenvector? Let lambda be an eigenvalue of a square matrix capital A. Then a non-zero solution capital X, x1, x2 dash dash xm. Number of elements in this vector are m, because the size of matrix A is m cross m. If the size of matrix is 3, then the number of elements in X will be 3, like x1, x2, x3. And if the size of this matrix is 2 cross 2, the number of elements in this vector capital X will be 2, x1 and x2, and so on. Then a non-zero solution capital X, x1, x2, x3 dash dash xm of a system of linear equations Ax is equal to lambda x. It means a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. Then a non-zero solution capital X, x1, x2, x3 dash dash xm of a system of linear equation Ax is equal to lambda x, means a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0, is called an eigenvector of matrix A corresponding to an eigenvalue lambda, or eigenvector is also known as the latent vector or the characteristic vector of matrix A. Eigenvector is also known as the latent vector of matrix A or the characteristic vector of matrix A. And the eigenvector is the solution of a system of linear equation a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0, and this solution is non-zero solution, and this system of linear equation is a homogeneous system of linear equation. Homogeneous system of linear equations. It means to find an eigenvector or the latent vector or the characteristic vector of a matrix capital A corresponding to an eigenvalue, say lambda, we have to solve this system of linear equation a minus lambda I into x is equal to 0, which is a homogeneous system of linear equations. And if the system of linear equation has a non-zero solution capital X, then x is called an eigenvector of matrix capital A corresponding to an eigenvalue of lambda. In the next video, we will consider a matrix of order 2 cross 2 and we'll try to find all the eigenvalues and the corresponding eigenvectors of this matrix. Thank you.